What's going on, guys? So you're watching Johnson Vlog, and today we have a new unboxing video on this TOZO T10 upgraded earbuds. And me and Justin both got a pair, and we thought we'd unbox it for you guys, show you what we thought about it, because when I was about to order, I was kind of curious what they sounded like and what people thought, but I don't know if there was a really good video on that, so figure why not make it ourselves. By the way, this was $24, and we got that on sale on Amazon. I'll leave the link down in the description for them. So first off, this comes in a really nice case. Like, as far as boxing, it has heat shrink tape on it. So let's go ahead and open that on this trusty knife right here. Just gonna gut it real quick, just like so. And it just slides right out the case like that. It's got a 18-month warranty apparently. Did not know that. So these earbuds have 6-hour charging case. The earbuds last for 6 hours by themselves, and then when you put them in the case a couple times, in total it lasts about 30 hours with a battery life. So you got your earbuds there. They do not come inside the case when you first open it. And this is the cord and the tassel for, like, to hook it there, so you can hang it on, I guess, your keys and stuff. It comes in, as far as everything packaged, it's pretty nice. And slip that off. So it comes with, like, I guess that's a foot cable, and got your little string so you connect it to the case to hang it on your keys or something. Comes with like 2 different manuals for some reason. Yeah, like I was reading through them and they both are the same. I don't know. It was weird. One's thicker, so maybe this one has different languages. But anyway, so when you first do this, the first thing you need to do, like, you're gonna open it and you're gonna put these in it. So left over here, right over here, and when you first put them in, they'll both be red and they'll stay red. They have connected together, and you leave these in here for like 3 seconds and they should have already connected to each other, so you don't have to worry about that. So as you can see, the case actually already has a full battery. I don't know about the earbuds themselves, but the case does. So you leave that and then you take them out, and as you can see, they both turn blue, and they're looking for something to pair to. So take out your phone and get your Bluetooth, and it pops up right away as TOZO T10. I keep on wanting to say 2. And it connects immediately, and they sound really nice. I'll show you how loud they get, just like that. It's like extremely loud. So you can actually answer phone calls with these, believe it or not. But so, like, on the left earbud, you can hit it once to pause and play it. And if you want to go back to a previous song, you hit it twice, just like that. And if you want to mess with the volume, you hold it. If you're getting a call, you press it once. If you don't want to answer the call, you hold it. It says you press it 3 times and you can activate Siri, I guess. And the other side pretty much does the same thing, except when you press it twice, it goes to the next song. And when you hold it, it turns the volume up. The other one turns it down when you hold it. So it has like those control features with it as well, so you don't have to touch your phone. So that's pretty cool. It's pretty small, pretty lightweight. I've always liked these like Bluetooth earbuds. I can't tell you how many times I'll reach for some and I'll knock them out of my ears and shit. It's so annoying. But yeah, so like, this is a really nice case. Much nicer than the ones I've had before. I've had JLab ones and it was not this nice. And something cool with the case is you can see how much battery life. Like, this case right here is like transparent, so that's pretty cool. It's tinted, but you can see how much battery life you have in it. That's pretty cool. It's also waterproof. It's IPX8, which I think that means it can go like 30 feet under the water. I don't think there's an amount of time, but usually you can only go to a certain depth with certain stuff. Like, our phones are IPX6, so it'll go further than that. So if you're sweating, you don't have to worry about that. Alright guys, so it's been 1 week since we've gotten these earphones, and we wanted to go over like a review of how they've worked, and I like them a lot. Me and Justin have both worked out in these, and you know, a lot of times when you put earbuds in, they fall out if you're like jumping around or like, you know, running or that sort of nature. And like these have not fell out of my ears or anything, or felt like they're going to. So that's been nice. We've obviously, since we've been working out, we've obviously sweated in them. I've taken a shower in these just to try out the waterproof, and I haven't had an issue with that whatsoever. All right, so like another thing is like the noise cancellation. So these earbuds don't get like super loud or they blow your eardrums out, but like the noise cancellation kind of helps like isolate the sound so it sounds louder, if that makes sense. So that's a feature I like, cause like anytime I get earphones, I raise them all the way up just I don't know, I like listen music to the max, I guess. But so I would recommend these earbuds definitely because they're $30 and it comes with all these features that you like. I've had earbuds that are the same price and they did not come with all these features, and what a nice case and nice earbuds and all that. We did get these off of Amazon for $25, and this brand actually has other versions of this that are more expensive, that fit different, have more features. If you're into that, description will be the link to these earbuds, so make sure you check that out. But yeah, definitely recommend. So if you like this video, hit the like button. If you have any questions about these earbuds or what we've thought about them, leave a comment down below. And make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can keep up with all of our upcoming videos that we are definitely coming out with more here soon. And I'll catch you in the next one.